What's up, guys? So welcome back to another Supra video today. Today is finally the day that we're gonna wash this thing and kind of assess some of the rusty stuff. So we're gonna try to get rid of a lot of the little rusty stains, stuff like that, and just kind of clean the car up as best we can. Again, it's not gonna be the perfect outcome. It will be a lot better than it is now. I'm gonna try to make this thing a little shiny. It's pretty nasty. We just gotta tape this window just a hair right here because it's off the track, just a hair, I think. So it won't go up all the way, but we're gonna tape it. We're gonna rinse it off and foam gun it, scrub her down a little bit, and go from there. All right, so car is washed to the best of my ability. Yeah, we got rid of a lot of the rust runs, just the stains in general. It's gonna need a good wipe down tomorrow, and then we're gonna hit it with some Lucas, get it all nice and looking good. I know, there's hail damage, but there's not much I can do about that, just because I'm not restoring the car. If this car had a windshield, man, and a couple pieces that just need to be replaced, like this little thing down here, mirror, it'd be pretty sweet. But overall, the car is at least clean. On the outside, we're gonna Rain-X all the windows, finish cleaning the inside, and call it a day. All right, guys, so we got the car all washed back in the garage. I think we're gonna call it a day and get back at it tomorrow. All right, guys, so it is the next day. Today, we're gonna be finally finishing up the seats. We did get a little bit of extra stuff from Walmart since we didn't have time to really wait, and I didn't think I was gonna need it so quick, so we got some leather detailer for, well, pretty much all the cars, because they all have some sort of like pleather or leather or stuff like that. Got some more of this carpet cleaner stuff for the Supra, and I think that's it. That's all we grabbed. I think I got some more Rain-X, so we can do the windows and stuff in this thing. But we're just gonna vacuum off the seats, condition the rear seats, and do one last vacuum real quick in the car. Then the seats are gonna go back in the car. The engine compartment, we're not gonna be able to get to this time. I think we just have a couple of trim pieces to kind of maybe stick back on. Try to put the hood latch piece back together, and that's about it. So we decided that we're not gonna use this because this thing's too tore up, and this mat in here is all just ripped. So we're just gonna be doing some of this other stuff, mainly the ashtrays, hood latch, this piece, and let's see, and this little ashtray from the back, and the rest of these parts are just gonna go back with her when she picks the car up. We did get this trim piece all nice and secure, so the back piece just slides in. This stuff we just had to kind of use a rubber mallet to get it in there. Looks good, looks a lot better without that piece just hanging the hell off of there. Some of this stuff I will not be able to fix. Let's see. That one I don't think I'll be able to do much with. Really, the rest of this trim is all still fine, but I don't know what we'll be able to do with this part, because this bracket right here is completely rusted off. I could literally only self-tap her like through, but everything's pretty much wrecked on that flap. So overall, I'm gonna do what I can do. So right now we're gonna start vacuuming these seats. All right, so we got all the windows nice and clean. Look at that, much better. I could probably clean this window like 17 times and it would still be dirty, but better than it was. Finishing up the seats. The back seat came out really good. Feels nice and smooth, like leather should, instead of just shitty and like hard. We did do some leather cleaner on all this stuff, so it looks nice and shiny. It doesn't really leave a film, which is nice. I really liked about that Chemical Guys leather cleaner. It's just leather quick detailer, cleans, restores, protects. Let's see, dry to the touch, cleans, maintains leather, removes dirt, dust, and fingerprints. Yeah, I like this stuff a lot so far. The fact that it dries, just matte finish kind of deal, so it doesn't have a bunch of like nasty film stuff on it. So this car leaks everywhere. There's a big old wad of paper towels I had to shove in there to get the water out. Yeah. So it's gonna be in the garage at her house, so should be fine. We're gonna take a quick break and then come back out here and finish the car up. Alrighty, so we're gonna throw a couple of these rear seat belts in, and then we're gonna vacuum the shit out of this car. We're gonna clean out the seats. Right now we're just gonna throw the back seat in the thing. That should be about right. Yep, only 2 seats back here. Got somewhere to sit, at least. Whew. Seats feel nice, man. Sad, you know. Sadly enough, they're ripped up on the top. Otherwise, it'd be great. These seats actually feel nice and clean, nice and slick and leathery. Got it all cleaned up. I know this is where this goes, so. There we go. All the panels are in. Now, just gotta vacuum. Alright, so we're done kind of vacuuming the floor. That's really freaking bright. So now we're gonna assess this hood latch situation right here. Alright. Bend that tab up a little bit. So this is kind of stuck somewhere behind here where it's not supposed to be. So there we go. Oh, that's much better. Let's see. All right, I'm all sweaty and gross, but that was okay. That worked out pretty good. Let's see if she works. Yes, fantastic. We did improve one thing on the car overall. The fucking hood latch works. So Now it's time for the seats. And now we're gonna clean these nasty ass seats. Alright, seats are going back in. Start with the passenger side. Woo! Alright, this shit's rough, man. Damn. A couple bolts. I'm fucking dying. So, problem is the seat rails move like uncontrollably. Whew. This is really pissing me off because I couldn't get that fucking seat rail to stay where I wanted it. All right, another quarter. All right, second seat about to go in. We're gonna do it like this. Woo-wee. These shits are heavy, man. Fuck. And you gotta put it on this little stick thing. Well, I mean, it went in, so. Oh, gotta plug her up in. And we're done. Just realized that I don't know how much of this footage I'm gonna be able to actually keep because I had the freaking radio playing the whole time. I didn't think about it. Goddamn copyright. It should be fine though. And we're done. Garage even smells great because we use the JDM squash scent. It is by far the most fantastic scent Chemical Guys or anybody else for that matter even makes. So we're going to park it outside, clean out the garage, and I think we're done. So one more look at the car. It is the 87 Supra 7MGE. All the rust spots where there's like rust stains and runs and stuff are gone. So I mean, it's 1,000 times better than it was, and I think she's gonna really dig it. You know, at this point, at least, you know, if you don't mind driving the car, that's good. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can catch every video, and we'll see you guys later.